Hello students and parents. Welcome to the video series on Admission Process 2020. Today we are going to discuss the ACPC circular about steps for choice filling, mock round and actual round that was uploaded on ACPC website on 19th September 2020. First let me show you the disclaimer. This presentation is for information purpose only. Now, steps for choice filling. This whole procedure is divided into three parts. The first is checking the rank and choice, where we'll check the rank from your profile and check all the available choices from the dashboard. The next step is filling the choice, where we will fill the maximum choices by clicking add choice and check all choices that have been added. And the third part is rearranging and finally saving the choices, where we will rearrange all the sequences by various tools and saving the choices. Now the step 1 in this procedure is check your rank. So students, to understand the whole procedure of choice filling, we will first go to the ACPC website. I will type ACPC. Then I will click on gujaratacpc.nic.in. In this website, we will go to the common registration for ACPC and I will click on that. When you click on that, a new window is opened which will lead me to that particular website. Here, they will ask me to write down the user ID and password, and I will write down the security pin also. I will sign in. After signing in, you need to directly click here to proceed. When I click on that, you will be shown this screen. On the first screen itself, you can see all the total available choices, filled choices, unfilled choices, and choices locking status, which is shown as unlocked. Now before starting with the available choices and choices filling and locking, I need to know what is my rank or merit rank. So what I'll do, I'll click on candidate profile, and by clicking on candidate profile, you can see that the first thing is personal details and second one is rank details. So here I can check my rank details, overall rank details. After that, I'll again click on home. Now the second step is fill the choices. So I'll click first on available choices. You can check all the available colleges or institutes that are available to you for filling, and we can also see the same details in the second tab present here. I can directly click here or I can go to home, and then again we can click on choice filling and locking, which is written here new, which is the new thing added to your portal. So I will directly click on that. After loading, here you see the same options that are available to you earlier in available choices. So let me first explain you what happens when you select on all institute types. So when you type or when you select all institute types, you can select private institutes. So you will be shown the list of all the private institutes, or you can select state government. So let me take an example. If you are selecting state government and say you want a particular choice of programs, let's say computer engineering, so it will show only computer engineering of state government colleges. Similarly, if I keeping it state, if I want to select any private institute, let's select a private institute. So I can do that also, private institute, and it will show only computer engineering in private institutes. right? I'm again removing all the options, and it will again show me only private or all institute types. Now students, let's say you don't want to go to the list of all these colleges and go and add the particular course that you are interested in. So what I'll do, let's say I am interested in Nirma Institute College. So I'll type Nirma here, and instead of typing enter, what I'll do, I'll press on filter, and all the courses available to me from Nirma. So I'll randomly add any course here just to show you as an example. So as you can see, that one is added. Further, I'll add another one, computer science and engineering. Let's say I've added that one also. Now when you click on choice filling and locking, you will be directed to this particular screen, and again here too you can see all the available choices from all the available institutes that are available to you. Here you have the option of selecting the list of private institutes or the list of state government colleges and courses that are available. So in, let's say, the first college that is seen here is Birla Vishwakarma Mahavidyalaya, Vidyanagar, in which there are different courses that are available. Further, you can see the list of different colleges. So if you want to search a college specifically, then also you can do it from here itself. Let's say I am selecting Gandhinagar Institute of Technology. So by selecting that, you can see here all the available programs in Gandhinagar Institute of Technologies can be seen by me. That is civil engineering, computer engineering, electrical engineering, IT, mechanical, EC, data science, emerging area, electrical vehicle, infrastructure, robotics. Further, I can also check for different programs what are the different institutes, or let's say I am interested in computer engineering. I'll select computer engineering and I can check what are the different colleges that are offering computer engineering as a course. And also another filter that I can add is, let's say I want to check for state government that are offering computer engineering, then I can select that, and only the state government colleges will be shown that are offering computer engineering. Also, if I select private, then it will show me all the private institutes that are offering computer engineering to me. Now the step 2 in this procedure is fill the choices. Now let's do choice filling as an example. Let's select some courses and try to understand how choice filling is done. Let's say I want to select LD College of Engineering. Then what I'll do, I'll go to state government, then I'll select LD College of Engineering, that is a government engineering college. I can either select LD College of Engineering from this pool of colleges, or we can also use the filter option that is given here. I'll write down L.D, and instead of entering you need to type or select filter here, and you will be shown all the programs that are available for LD College of Engineering. Let's say I am selecting, or I am interested in electronics and communication engineering, so I'll press add here, so that will be added on the right side. I'm also interested in computer engineering, I'll press on add, it will be added here. Further, as a third choice I want to add, or I'm interested in Nirma College, I'll press Nirma here, I'll deselect it and select is all in institute and type on filter, so it will show me all the courses that are available in Nirma. So again, let's say I'm selecting randomly electronics and communication, I'm pressing enter. Further, I'm I want to add some private institute as well, so I am selecting Gandhinagar Institute of Technology here. And press on enter. So it will show me all the courses that are available here. So let's say again randomly we are selecting a particular course. Whenever it asks you to save it, you just type on save and close. Let's say I've added this particular course from here. I've also added, let's say, computer engineering from here. So now by now my list is populated and we have around 5 courses. So let's say we are going with that one. So 5 courses are available now. So that was all about choice filling. Now the step 3 in this procedure is rearrange the choices. So we'll try to rearrange the sequence by using various tools. So again we'll select choice filling and locking. In choice filling and locking, we already filled different choices here. Now you can see above there are some options. Manage field choices. So let's click on manage field choices. So it will again show me all the colleges that I have selected. Now let's say I want to make the Nirma college choice as my top priority. Then what I'll do, I can directly press here up, so it will go one step up, and again if I press up it will go one step up. Similarly, if I want to take the choice to second or third level, I just need to press on down, so it will go down one choice, then down, third time down it will go to the fourth choice. So this is how you can rearrange your choices using the manage field choices, and again you need to just click here to save the changes. The next option is choice interchange. When you click on choice interchange, you will be shown this particular option. Here also you can do the same thing that you did earlier. You can select any option. Let's say I want to move GIT option up and I want to interchange it with one option. So I want to interchange with Nirma College. So I'll press on interchange and it will show that it has interchanged. So again you can check it in either choice filling or manage choice field choice. If I click there, you can see that GIT choice has moved above the Nirma College choice. Further, you can also select multiple deletion. Let's say I want to delete one option, then I can simply click on that option and select delete checked items, right? Let's take an example. I'm clicking on Nirma University and clicking on delete checked items. So it will ask me, are you sure you want to delete the selected choice? I will select yes, and I can easily delete that option. The last choice is to lock your choice. So when I click on that, it is showing me that choice locking has been closed. So basically, if you have read the circular of ACPC, it says that your choices will be automatically locked at 12 p.m. on the last date. So just make sure that all your choices are entered, because they will be locked at 12 p.m. and you won't be able to make any other choices. Further, in case of any queries, you can also contact our helpline center at Gandhinagar Institute of Technology, and following are the details. Thank you.